Hi, I'm Frank Chou. I started from the bottom. Now I'm here to talk about finance. As a kid, I grew up with just my mom, and we didn't have a ton. Through the struggles we faced, I learned the importance of money and how a failure to plan is a plan to fail. I went to college with $0 and was too ignorant to even know about student loans, so I thought you had to pay as you went. I worked my way through and managed to end back up at $0, which actually put me ahead of some of my peers. I got married and we were soon expecting our first child when I got laid off and went back to zero. I hustled my way into business school at the deadline and got through my MBA, but in a hole. Once the debt was paid off, a divorce happened and I had to pivot. I moved across the country to be there for my kids and start all over again. But I met someone amazing, remarried, and now I juggle my corporate finance career with teaching others about money and how to live an abundant and rich life. My story is peppered with epic highs and some tragic lows. Let me share with you what I've learned along the way.